I'm going to show you how to install the Z1 into your helmet in this video in a step-by-step installation process. First, you should know that we have two main installation methods. The first is to use the 3M glue plate if your helmet is relatively thick. If your helmet is relatively thin, less than 5 millimeters, we recommend that you use the metal clamp installation method. Since this helmet is less than 5 millimeters, we'll be using the metal clamp installation method. You should take the magnetic mount and attach the metal clamp. Then, we recommend that you take out the cheek padding of your helmet. Next, we're going to attach the magnetic mount and the metal clamp to the left side of your helmet. Next, we're going to attach the speakers and the microphone inside the helmet. First, we're going to take the Velcro and attach it inside the helmet close to where our ears are. And we're going to attach the other one. And you can see where I placed those inside the helmet, close to where your ears will be. If after you've installed your speakers and Z1 device, and you realize that the sound is not clear enough, we recommend that you place these speaker pads on top of the Velcro. This will position the speakers even closer to your ears to improve hearing. Next, we're going to install the speakers on top of the Velcro. You'll want to position the speaker with the shorter wire closer to the magnetic mount. And you can see how we place those inside the helmet. Next, we're going to install the microphone. Please note that there's two types of microphones that can be installed. The first is the hybrid microphone, which is used for a quarter face helmet. However, for a full face helmet like this, we'll be using a wired microphone. First, we should take the wired microphone Velcro and place it inside our helmet near to where our mouth will be. However, making sure we don't cover the air duct. And then we will attach the microphone. You can see how we place that. Next, we are going to connect the wires of the magnetic mount to the wires of the microphone, making sure that we connect it the correct way. And then we're going to connect the speaker wire from the magnetic mount to the speaker wire. And next, we're going to take our wires and tuck them underneath the padding. So you can take the long wire from the two speakers and place that underneath the top padding of your helmet. Next, we want to position the other wires behind where our cheek padding is going to go. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and take your cheek padding and put it back inside the helmet. Take the other cheek pad, put it back in. And now you should check and see if you have any loose wires. So I will go ahead and tuck that back behind my cheek pad. And you can take a look. It's installed and there's no loose wiring. And now we've finished installing the microphone and the speakers inside the helmet. Next, all you got to do is take the ASMAX Z1 unit and attach it to the magnetic mount. How easy is that? And if you want to remove it, you can just press down on the front and the unit slides right out. How cool is that? And it's that easy.